Ang sabi sa Psalm chapter 40 verse 1 to 2, I waited patiently for the Lord, and He inclined to me and heard my cry. He brought me out of the pit of destruction, out of the miry clay, and He set my feet upon a rock, making my footsteps firm. Ito po isang kanta ni David na sinulat niya nung panahon na siya ay tinutugis ng kanyang mga kaaway. And sabi niya, I waited patiently for the Lord, and He inclined to me and heard my prayer. Meaning, nakinig ang Diyos sa kanyang panalangin at siya'y iniligtas, brought me out of the pit of destruction, brought me out of the miry clay. Meaning, nawala siya doon sa sitwasyon niya na siya'y niligtas siya sa kanyang mga kaaway. Ang miry clay po kasi ay isang parang putik na kung saan ay pag nakaapak ka parang halos hindi ka makakilos, halos hindi ka makagalaw, hindi ka makalayo. And so sabi niya, niligtas niya ako doon, tinanggal niya ako doon. And He set my feet upon the rock, making my footsteps firm. Sa buhay natin mga kapatid, meron din mga challenges, problema, na mga troubles na tumutugis din sa atin. Yung halos parang hindi tayo tantanan. Araw-araw may problema. Dumating ang problema, hindi pa natatapos, meron na namang isang problema, meron sunod-sunod na problema. And so the Lord, kung tayo ay tatawag sa Panginoon, kung tayo ay mananalangin sa Kanya, sabi nga ng David, and the Lord, I waited patiently for the Lord, and He inclined to me and heard my cry. Minsan, sa kamamadali natin, gumagawa tayo ng sarili nating plano. Hindi natin naantay si Lord. Kaya naman yung plano natin, hindi rin nagiging tama. Lalo tayong nagkaka-problema. And so, my friends, as a challenge, kung may pinagdadaanan ka, sunod-sunod na problema. Number 1, wait patiently for the Lord. Wait patiently for His redemption, for His response. Because the Lord already gave you that victory when Jesus died on the cross of Calvary. All you need to do is claim that victory. Claim that power in the name of Jesus. Jesus conquered everything. And if you believe and accepted Jesus, you can also do the same. Because the Lord will pick you up and put your feet on a firm rock. That is none other than Jesus, the rock of our salvation. The word of the Lord for you today. God bless you.